Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to do the 2-in-1 support test in the IQ7 device by charging and listening to music at same time. So will it be supported or not? And this is a comment which I got a couple of days back, and finally I do remember this kind of comment and thought of making a video, as you can see friends. So this is a request which I got, so that is the reason I thought of doing this kind of video on this IQ7 device. And after this video I'll try to upload another video on checking the quality while using the Type-C 3.5mm jack. I'll try to do another video on that particular topic, so make sure to stay tuned for that video. So let's see friends, whether this kind of method will be working in this IQ7 or not. I'll try to leave the link for this product exactly in the comments below, so make sure to check the comment for the pinned comment. You can use that links to buy the product particularly. So I need to check two things. So first, is the charging speed is affected or not, and second, how is the sound quality while charging at same time. Is the sound quality got affected or not while charging at same time? So these two are the things which I'll be trying to mainly focus in this kind of test. And let's see friends, let me try to connect this adapter, so which is really convenient, as you can see friends, which has two-sided, so which is really good. So instead of this kind of big ones, it's a really small and portable as well, as you can clearly see here. It fits really good. And let me try to quickly connect the 3.5mm jack first, and let's see whether we'll be getting any kind of indication on the top or not. That is the first thing we'll be trying to check. And yes, we did get the indication of the headphone jack, as you can clearly see on the top, as you can see friends. So once you get this kind of indication, let me try to open the music player, and now you can go to the settings, and let me try to show you the audio effects. And now you can easily enable, as you can clearly see friends, now you can enable. So right now I'm trying to keep the mic exactly close to these two earbuds, as you can see here friends. Right now I'll try to play the audio, so then try to listen if it's clearly audible or not. So I'm doing my best to provide you the really good experience. So let me try to do this friends. So without charging, I'm not trying to charge at same time. So let's see. With full volume. So now you got a clear idea how is the audio is coming from the earphones if you're trying to use only the earphones. So now let's see friends, if you try to connect the charger, what will be the audio quality and what will be the speed of the charging rate. That is the most important thing. That is what I will try to test right now. Let me try to quickly connect the charger, and let's see friends. And in case if you are interested to buy this kind of Type-C to 3.5mm jack adapter, so make sure to check the links in description. So definitely that links will be helpful for you to decide whether to buy or not. So let me try to connect the charger. Is the charger, as you can see. As soon as I connect the charger, I'll try to check the speed as well. What is the charging speed we are getting? Yes, right now I connected, and on the top I cannot see any kind of flash charge symbol indication, as you can clearly see friends. So there is no flash charge symbol indication present on the top. I connected the 65-watt charger only. Let me try to open the application, which is where you can see actually the speed as well. What is the charging speed? So let's see friends, what will be the charging speed. And the charging speed is really low, as you can clearly see here. It's very low by using this kind of adapters, as you can see friends. So let me try to quickly disconnect maybe earphones. Let me try to disconnect the earphones and see whether the charging speed increases or not. So it's not increasing. So only few adapters will be compatible with the few phones. So make sure to check those friends before buying. That is the reason. Let me try to disconnect and try to use the normal cable. You can see the 65-watt charger is immediately detected, as you can see. Now you will be able to see the speeds as well, how much it's increasing if you're trying to use a 66-watt charger. Sorry, not 65, 66-watt charger. As you can see, the speeds went up to 6000, but we are getting about 60 only by using this kind of adapters. So let me try to connect right now, and let me try to show you what will happen right now. So let's see how much the phone will be able to detect, and phone detected only slow charging, as you can clearly see friends, very slow charging, so not much. So let's see the audio quality, whether it's got affected or not. I don't think with this kind of charging rate you will be able to listen for a long time. Even it's not that good as well. So doing this kind of charging and listening at same time, instead of that you can actually charge directly using the charger. Within 5 minutes the battery will be filled by 15 or 20%, and which you can listen audio continuously. So let's see the audio quality, what it is while doing this kind of test. So friends, now you got a clear idea what is happening. So if you are trying to listen to the music and charging at same time, the phone won't be able to charge faster. I'll try to order a few more adapters, different types, and I'll try to check which adapter is the best adapter maybe for this IQ7 device. I can do that in case if you want me to do. So definitely I can buy some of the few adapters which are available. So definitely friends, make sure to comment below what are your thoughts in terms of testing this kind of testing, and I'll try to even check the 3.5mm jack sound quality as well in another video. So make sure to stay tuned for that video in case if you are interested to see how is the audio quality coming out of that adapters, which in case if you are interested to buy. And one more thing I forgot to show you, what will be the charging speed indication on the lock screen. So let me try to show you friends what will be the charging screen indication on the lock screen. So on the lock screen it just showing only charging, as you can see friends, only charging. There is no other indication you are getting on this lock screen. You can clearly see here. Let me even try to go to the settings and see whether in the battery options will it display any kind of thing or not. So it's not displaying anything, as you can clearly see friends. So overall in this method the phone will be able to not charge faster. And let me try to even use maybe this kind of USB tester. So this is a USB type C tester, so which will detect how much current is going on. That is another thing we can check from this adapter. And when it connect to the smartphone, yes, it's connected to the smartphone. So right now you'll be able to see the speeds, how much it's coming. So right now you're getting only 0.44 amperes, not much amperes, as you can clearly see friends. 0.44 amperes only you are getting at this point, as you can clearly see here. So well friends, it's not charging that much faster if you use this kind of adapters particularly. And if you try to listen to the music, let's see whether the speed will decrease or not. So that is another thing. So in this way we'll be able to see easily the charging speed when you're trying to listen to the music and charging at same time. Let me just open the application and start playing. I think it's not detecting this kind of testing. If I try to play the audio and connect in this kind of USB tester, it's not detecting this one. So that's another thing which I cannot test the charging speed. But let me try to disconnect and test using the default application. So let's see, I'm trying to play the audio right now from the earphones, and let me try to open the application which I used before to see. And right now charging speed is slightly increasing. So the maximum it went up to 186 milliamperes only during this time. So I'm listening to the audio as well. So listening to the audio and charging at same time, it decreased. As you can see right now, the charging speed completely decreased if you are trying to do both maybe at same time, as you can see friends. So this is an overall complete review, and definitely I'll do my best to try different products, and I'll try to come back again in another video demonstrating which is kind of best and suitable for the IQ7 device. So thank you for watching this video friends, and make sure to check the links in description for more details, and don't forget to check the comments as well. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.